nga pala,
Si Creamline, Grand Slam champion and everything.
Yes.
So, di ba, makita mo naman din yung
difference.
lamang din talaga ni Creamline. Pero I'm hoping that Capital One will really challenge this team,
Yeah.
di ba? Pahirapan naman nila.
Why not? Galanza, by the way, is on the floor and she scores right away.
Clemente is back in.
Andyan na, no?
Andyan na.
Galanza misfires on that one. However, it's recovered. Kept in play, too tight, and they get a break with that one.
Kanilang momentum, it was a pivotal change in mindset because of their last game last year in Cebu. Since the start of the year, she noticed a heightened sense of urgency from every single Solar Spiker. Players began arriving at training an hour early, proactively working on their skills by analyzing lapses from their previous games. Expect a hungrier, more aggressive Capital One team on the floor today. Back to you for set 2.
I think that's what they're trying to develop, Alexis and Fry.
Coming into training way earlier than expected. Nice set.
Gumabaw uncorks. Here's Tolenada setting up Genesis. She's checked at the net. You know, through the years, we've seen the improvement of Gumabaw as a blocker, as being aggressive defensively. Here comes this shot. It's handled well by Capital One. Sing and corks that one, and here comes the push by Negrito to the back row. Doromal. This is hijacked, and they get that to go. On the court, get used to this. We will need you down the road. Tough set. De Leon hammers it. Over to Gumabaw. It is taken care of. Kept in the play, Doromal.
Oh no, free ball.
And Bea De Leon nails it.
Ang merienda, kape-kape muna tayo.
Sige.
Zeus coffee muna tayo.
Sige, dadalang kita next time.
Thanks.
Sing! Down the middle, open hole.
Kasi regalo.
Oo naman.
Nice serve from Vargas.
Tolenada, layo na hinabol. Sing tried to score on it. Here's it's going to be a free ball. Galanza. Down the middle we go. Negrito. Galanza. Hanap ng mga iskinitang dadaanan na hindi mo akalain buhay pala yung iskinitang. Turn right on Altura. Ano? Okay. In the meantime, here we go. Negrito. Well done! Oh, look at Bea and her reaction. And the serve now belongs to still Bea De Leon.
Another chance.
Sing trying to find that same angle. Negrito. Galanza. Doromal.
Perfect.
Back row Genesis. It's in the air. We chase it off the set. Off a difficult send that time, but Galanza just made do. Turning around is Bernardo. She did not hit it. Sing. She got it to hit out.
Thank you.
Okay, Domingo. That's out of control. Galanza just entering the second set, has 4 points already. Oh boy. And giving the first 6 something to think about. In the meantime, Clemente had to kneel down for that one. Negrito sets up Bernardo. Here we go. Tolenada. Genesis foiled, and she got it to hit out.
In time.
Tolenada will be serving right now. What a play.
That was... 4-2 substitution for Creamline. Riza man dapat, 50% spike efficiency. Pag pinigyan mo siya, sure.
Talaga.
Makakapunto para ma-activate yung middle blockers nila.
So, makadiskarte tayo.
Yes.
Para may mangyari sa ate.
Oo.
Set by Buenofe. Stretching downstairs is Vargas.
Another one.
Kept in play. Galanza hammered downstairs by De Leon. Orendain foiled. Makatuno sets. And the 4th longest rally in progress right now. To the... still reached for. We're still alive. Nobody wants to blink here. Orendain! Alam mo, pag ganun kahaba ang rally, walang humihinga actually.
Ako rin, di ako huminga. Napasigaw pa ako. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Intense.
That's close to the net. Guanafer missing the net barely. Genesis.
Another one.
Galanza will blast. Why not? Namorsyento. Pag bumalik ka, gayahin mo yan, ha? Ganun lang, oh. Orendahin. Natawa. Gumabaw. And we are done with the second set. And our second set score